It is hard to establish trust when they do not know how their PI is going to be used after the transaction. When they receive unsolicited communication from related business and partners, they don't know how long their PI will be kept and where the process in the organization. Where the process in the organization. Yes, dear friends, please note down the questions. It is important for you. Okay. Now note down these questions. Very important. Accessing internet information. Four common tools for accessing internet information include intranet, extranet, portal, and kiosk. So these are the information of internet information: intranet, extranet, portal, and kiosk. Intranets is an internalized portion of the internet protected from outside access that allows an organization to provide access to information and application software only to its employees. Intranets. Remember, intranets is an internalized portion of the internalized portion of the internet protected from outside access that allows an organization to provide access to information and application software. Intranet means it's a software and application, sorry, organization to provide access to information and application software. Then host all kinds of company related information such as benefits, schedules, strategic directions, and employee directions. For example, take www.google.com, www.microsoft.com, www.infosys.com, like that. Intranets. An intranets is not necessarily open to the external internet and enable organization to make internal resources available using familiar internet resources such as web browser, new news readers, and emails. Web browsers and news readers and emails. So called intranets. Okay, next. Intranets and ROI. By avoiding cost associated with print material, organization experience a greater ROI with electronic publishing. By avoiding cost associated with print material, organization experience a greater ROI with electronic publishing. So impact of ROI increased access to organizational information. Organizational information. Okay. Examples of intranet Infosys system in business: Windows, SharePoint, service, web-based, WebEx, Web Office. For example, take Zoom application. For example, take WebEx. For example, take Google Video, webinar. These are the intranets of students. Okay. Extranet is on intranet that is available to strategic partners such as extranet who are who are sitting in front of the computer, who are using the application. It's called the extranet. Okay, right. Next, customers, suppliers and distributors and etc. Customers, suppliers and distributors and etc. These are the extranet things, and provide secure access to those groups of people, customer and suppliers, that provides a level of SCM, supply chain management, without incurring the responsibility of managing partner IT resources. More ways to access intranet. More ways to access intranet resources. Intranet resources. Portals. The very generic term for what is an essence. What is an essence? A technology that provides access to information. Provide access to information. And portal is a website that offers a broad array of resources, services such as email, discussion group, search engines, and etc. For example, take more ways to access internet: Yahoo, Netscape, Microsoft, America Online. So these are the portals, and these are the examples. Kiosk. Kiosk is a publicly accessible computer system that has been set up to all interactive information browsing. For example, like kiosk means getting without manpower, we get in through machinery, we are getting information. For example, take ATMs or like that. The computer's operating system has been hidden from view. Program runs in full screen mode that provides a few simple tools for navigations. Providing intranet information. Providing intranet information. Three common forms of internet service providers, that is include Internet Service Provider ISP, Internet Service Provider ISP, Online Service Provider OSP, Application Service Providers ASP. These are the providing internet information. Once again, in Internet Service Providers, Online Service Providers, Online Service Providers, and Application Service Providers. These are the Internet Information Services. Next one, ISPs. ISPs provides the individual and other companies with access to the internet along with other services. ISP provides individual and other companies with access to the internet along with other services. And local ISPs begin the early 90s would lease line space. ISP means Internet Service Protocol. So this some individual and other companies with access to the internet along with the other services. WIS, World Internet Service Provider, Wireless Internet Service Provider, allows the subscribers to connect to a server at designated hotspot or access points and using a wireless connection. For example, like Wi-Fi and hotspot. Example of this provider: T-Mobile. OSPs and ASPs. Online service provider. OSPs means online service provider. Uses their own browser to allow users access to the internet. Online service provider uses their own browsers to allow users access to the internet. AOL is a good example for an OSP. AOL is a good example for an OSP. Early 2000s MSN's Butterfly was another example of OSPs, And ASPs, application service providers offer organization with access over the internet system and related services that would have otherwise have to located on personal and organizational computers. These application service providers have to located on personal organizational computers. ASP is essentially the outsourcing of part of company's business logic. So, thank you very much, students. Thank you very much on the e-learning. This is also one of the part in e-system. Uh, okay, these are the important points, dear friends. E-business and e-commerce, e-business and the e-commerce. So these are the definitions and e-business models, business to business and the business to consumer and the consumer to business. These are the types, consumer to consumer and e-governance and the e-governance also e-government, e-governance and e-governance electronic means that we have different models of e-business. And, so in this B2B, B2B means organization to organizations involve shipping dates and delivery dates and shipping schedule. How do we do that? B2B business from company to customer, from company to customer, raw material supplier, manufacturer and distributor and retailer. C2C. So auction sites, e-basic customer to customers. Customer to customer are doing the business activities, are buying or selling the organization, buying and selling through online. In this session, uh, doing the business activities from customer to customer. And just example of Alex. Okay. Yes. Strategies for e-business marketing and sales strategies for e-business marketing and sales. These a series of online marketing and sales strategies are important. This everybody do marketing after manufacturing of product. That is compulsory to marketing channels, to online ads, or to emails, or to mobile ads and everything, and mass customization, personalization to Amazon. So many e-commerce, e-business apps is there in the market available. These are the questions are important. To write down all of you once again. Yes, organization strategies to be successful in an e-business organization must master the art of electronic relationship is the most important. Why? Because through online business, entire the world doing the online business. At that time, we compulsory believe organization compulsory believe must electronic relationship. The traditional means of customer acquisition such as advertising, promotions, and PR are just as important with a website. Now the point is e-business strategies. This is the e-procurement business to business or links of organization customer service is important for when the customer when fulfill the customer needs and wants. After that, when the customer is satisfied, then our business online transactions or business are doing better in the market. E-business matrix. The topic is one of the metric offers and threats we are getting students and how these online transactions on business metrics and reduction of sales calls because of The web traffic is congested sometimes. This is the web metrics and techniques, the cookies, we know that online cookies and click-throughs and banners, ads and everything. Encryption, decryption is most important. Secure electronic transaction also important. This is the topic today. Topic. This is the today topic, and thank you very much. If any doubt, please ask me, students and friends also. Any doubts, please ping my number. Thank you very much.